friends, welcome back to my channel. Please friends, वीडियो को लाइक करूँगा, हम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूँगा.
Aru A for
Apple.
A for
Ant.
apple means ant means
Pimpuri.
very good. B for
Ball.
B for
Bat.
ball means
Bandu.
bat means
Bat means bat.
very good. C for
Cat.
C for
Cup.
cup means
Cup means cup.
cat means
Billy.
D for
Dog.
D for
Doll.
doll means
Conde.
dog means
Kukura.
E for
Egg.
E for
Elephant.
elephant means
Hatti.
egg means
Anda.
F for
Fish.
F for
Frog.
fish means
Macho.
frog means
Bengo. Please friends, हम वीडियो को लाइक करो तो हम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो.
G for
Goat.
G for
Grapes.
goat means
Cherry.
grapes means
अंगूर कोली.
H for
Hen.
H for
Hat.
hat means topi. Hen means
कुकुड़ा.
good. I for
Ice cream.
I for
Iron.
iron means istri pedi. Ice cream means
Ice cream.
J for
Juice.
J for
Jug.
juice means
Juice means juice.
फल रस. jug means पानी ढालिबा पाई बंद थिबा पात्र. K for
Key. Kite.
kite means
Gudi.
key means
Chabi.
good. L for
Lion.
L for lemon. Lion means
Sihon.
lemon means lembu. M for
Monkey.
mango means
Ambo.
monkey means
Bandhan.
mankoda. N for
Nose.
net means
Jallo.
nose means nakko. O for
Orange.
onion means
Piaggio.
orange means
Santare.
kamala. P for
Pigeon. Peacock.
pigeon means
Parrot.
peacock means
Mayura.
Q for
Queen.
koel means
Harajari.
queen means
Rani.
very good. R for
Rat. Rabbit.
rabbit means
Rabbit means rabbit.
thekua. Rat means
Chuha.
musa. S for
Swan.
swan means
Swan means
hansa. Swan means
Sujo.
T for
Tree.
tiger means bagho. Tree means
Gotcha.
very good. U for
Umbrella.
U for utensils.
Utensils.
Utensils माने बासन कुसन. Umbrella means
छत्ता.
V for
Van.
V for vase.
Vase.
Vase means
फूलदानी.
van means van गाड़ी. W for
Watch.
W for whale.
Boy.
Whale means
टिम्मी मच्छो.
watch means
घंटा.
very good. X for
Xmas tree.
X for Xerox.
Xerox.
Y for
Yak.
Y for
Yellow.
yak means
चमरी गाय.
yellow means हळदिया रंग.
हरियाणा.
Z for
Zoo.
Z for
Zebra.
zebra means zebra.
Zebra.
Zoo means चिड़ियाखाना.
चिड़ियाखाना.
very good.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम वीडियो को लाइक करतु, हम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करतु.
पिला माने आरु सह आउ थरे A4 ठारू Z4 सुनंतु आउ ए सब को माने रखंतु.
लाइक करंतु, हम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु.
आरु A for
एप्पल.
A for
ant.
apple means
Cow.
ant means
पिंपुड़ी.
very good. B for
बॉल.
B for
बैट.
ball means
पेंडू.
bat means
बैट मींस बैट.
very good. C for
कैट.
C for
कप.
cup means
कप मींस कप.
cat means
बिल्ली.
D for
डॉग.
D for
डॉल.
doll means
कंधे.
dog means
कुकुरा.
E for
एक.
E for
एलिफेंट.
elephant means
हट्टी.
egg means
अंडा.
F for
फिश.
F for
फ्रॉग.
fish means
मच्छर.
frog means
बेंगो. प्लीज फ्रेंड्स, हम वीडियो को लाइक करंतु, हम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु.
G for
गोट.
G for
ग्रेप्स.
goat means
छेली.
grapes means
अंगूर कोली.
H for
हेन.
H for
यार्ड.
hat means topi. Hen means
कुकुड़ा.
good. I for
आइसक्रीम.
I for
आयरन.
iron means istri pedi.
इस्त्री.
Ice cream means
आइसक्रीम.
J for
जूस.
J for
जग.
juice means
जूस मींस जूस.
फल रस. jug means पानी ढालिबा पाई हंद थिबा पात्र. K for
की.
K for
काइट.
kite means
गुड़ी.
key means
चाबी.
good. L for
लायन.
L for lemon.
लेमन.
Lion means
सिंह.
lemon means lembu.
लेम्बू.
M for
मंकी.
M for
मैंगो.
mango means
आंबो.
monkey means
बंडल.
mankoda.
मंकोड़ो.
N for
नेट.
N for
नोज.
net means
जालो.
nose means nakko.
नको.
O for
Orange.
O for
Onion.
onion means
Piaggio.
orange means
Santare.
kamala.
Komula.
P for
Pigeon.
P for
Peacock.
pigeon means
Parrot.
peacock means
Mohiro.
mayura.
Mohiro.
Q for
Queen.
Q for koel.
Coil.
Koel means
Harajari.
queen means
Rani.
very good. R for
Rat.
R for
Rabbit.
rabbit means
Rabbit means rabbit.
thekua.
Tekua.
Rat means
Chuha.
musa.
Musa.
S for
Sun.
S for
Swan.
swan means
Swan means swan.
swan means hansa. Swan means
Sujo.
T for
Tree.
T for
Tiger.
tiger means bagho.
Bagho.
Tree means
Gotcha.
very good. U for
Umbrella.
U for utensils.
Utensils.
Utensils mane basan kusan. Umbrella means
Chota.
V for
Van.
V for vase.
Vase.
Vase means
Fuladani.
van means van gadi. W for
Watch.
W for whale.
Boy.
Whale means
Timmy macho.
watch means
Ghanta.
very good. X for
Xmas tree.
X for xerox.
Xerox.
Y for
Yak.
Y for
Yellow.
yak means
Chamari guy.
yellow means हळदिया रंग.
Horiadalo.
Z for
Zoo.
Z for
Zebra.
zebra means zebra.
Zebra.
Zoo means चिड़ियाखाना.
चिड़ियाखाना.
very good.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम वीडियो को लाइक करो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो.